Oh, I received your question about 25. I guess you asked, is there another way to do this? The answer is no. When you got a non-right triangle, you got two sides included angle, cosines, only thing we have for doing this. Here's the rule, for solving for c. C squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab times cosine of c. We know everything on this right side. A's 6, B's 4. And we're given those values. We're given the included angle. So you make the substitution. Do a little bit of work, here. I'm going to take the square root of it. So I'll let you punch that in the calculator. You need to be careful. All order of operations. And so once you have C, though, you only have, when you're solving this, you only have to apply the law of cosines once. And then next, to find angle A, you could use the law of sines, which was the previous section. Once you have A and C, then the sum of the angles is 180, and you could use that to find B, angle B. So you got to use the law of cosines once, and I'd use the law of sines to get one of the angles, and then I'd use the sum of the angles is 180 to get the third angle. That'd be the easiest way. Hope this helps.